In today's video, I will show you how to convert your PDF into Word document without disturbing its structure. So let's get started. Firstly, open in web browser. Here search Adobe PDF to Word converter. And here you will get first link, convert PDF to Word online unlimited free tool. So just click on that. So many options are there to convert from PDF to Word, but those are not precise. So I found this very helpful. So I will upload sample invoice here. So upload any PDF. Now I will download. My document is ready. So I will click on download. And here I will open that file in my Microsoft Word. So this is my PDF, you can see here in background. And I will click on enable editing. So here you can see, as it is, my PDF is converted into Word document. I can edit any name or anything here. You know, in Word you can edit anything, right? So like this you can edit your name, any number, you can give new number. And if you want to save this PDF, this document in PDF format, you can simply click on file, then save as, and browse, give it a desktop location, and here you can choose the format PDF. So it will store that document in PDF format again. So now you know how to convert your PDF into document format and how to save the document in PDF format. Now see second option, how to convert your PDF directly. Just open your Word application right hand side. So keep it here, your Word application, and then open your file. So adjust it on left hand side like this. And what you have to do, you have to just drag and drop your PDF into Word. Now here is one warning, just click on that. So it is saying that Word will now convert your PDF to editable Word document. This may take a while. So click on OK. So this is a quick and fast method if you want to convert your PDF using Word. Now see, my Word application also can convert, click on OK, can convert that PDF into Word format directly like this. So there are two options, either you can convert using online method and you can directly convert your PDF using Word. So thank you for watching this video.